Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the audio track from a video file using VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to go ahead and start by opening up VLC Media Player. Select the Media tab up at the top left and select where it says Convert/Save. Select the little add button. Now you want to navigate over to wherever your file is that you want to remove the audio track for. In my case, it's on my desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and just double click on that to insert it into this list. And now you want to go select the Convert/Save button at the bottom. Select the wrench icon. And now you want to select the audio codec tab and make sure audio is unchecked. Select create. It says you must set a name for this profile, so we're going to just select, you can type in whatever you want here. I'm just going to say video without audio. Just for my example, you can type in whatever you want though. And you're going to go select the create button. Select browse. And now this is where the output is going to be, so I'm just going to call it no audio. And just going to select save, and once you're done with that, select the start button and that will begin the process here. And then once that's done, it should be a new file on your desktop. It might take a couple minutes here to actually convert. And there you go, guys, simple as that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.